what's up, bitches, to the people that already been in my channel. This week I will be doing a review on the electric cake liners from Norvina. Okay, it is 3 colors. It's a collection of 2 different stackables. I got this one only, okay, which is orange, white, and purple. The way I got him was I was browsing through my Instagram and I saw this post. I do not remember who it was. Okay, I'm sorry if you're out there. I don't remember because I don't follow the page. I was browsing and I saw that they were talking about them. I hadn't heard anything about them. I went and looked at Anastasia's Instagram and Norvina's Instagram and nothing. But then it said they were available on Sephora. So I was like, okay. So I went to the Sephora website and they weren't there. They said that the item was unavailable. So then I was like, okay. So I kept looking, Googling just to see if they were anywhere. They weren't. And then I went back to Sephora and they had them. So they were each $30. And as everybody knows, I have a baby. So I had a $25 gift card from my friend Anna that she sent me for my birthday. Hey, Shadow Girl. And I was like, I'm just going to buy one. I'll buy the other one later, right? Because diapers and formula and everything else. So I bought one and I didn't know what the deal was. And now they're not available. So I don't know if it was a mistake on somebody's part or what was the deal, but I got one. So I decided to do a small review, okay? And create a look. So on this look, I used all 3 eyeliners and I really like it. They are simple to use. All you have to do is add a little water. You can either take a little bit of the product and put it on a little palette like this one. That one's dirty. And mix it with water. Or you can just wet your brush, put it in the product, mix it, get the product, apply it. You know, there's a few ways to do it. The way I did it was I just wet the brushes, put it in the product, mixed it, applied it, just because I don't like to waste product. And I feel like if I take it out and mix it, it's a waste. But anyways, yeah, my thoughts on it. So it comes in this little box. This is the little package. It's cute. You take it out and this is what you get. Now, it is a small product. It's small. Like this is one of the MAC eyeshadows, right? And this is it. Like that's the size. Let's see if you can see it like this. It's not a huge product. And then that's it. But the way I was using it, it does seem like it's gonna last. Like you don't waste a lot of product while you're using. Another thing is that they are bright. Like they are bright, they are matte, and they do dry really fast. I like that. You know, I mean, it's a good amount of time to where like you can work with them, but at the same time you can apply it and then just keep doing your makeup instead of like I have to wait because I'm gonna ruin the whole thing. Also, they're really easy to clean up. Like it's super easy. Like if I messed up. I didn't have to take off my whole makeup because sometimes with eyeliners you have to do that, which might be telling me that they might not be waterproof. That's what that might be, but we will see, right? Yeah, they're really easy to work with. If you're trying to make precision lines, just make sure you have the right tools to do it, and then other than that, it'll be great. Like it'll work. I liked it. The white eyeliner is white and not patchy. Okay, now for it not to be patchy, okay? Because if you just want to do a line and then just kind of like blend, that's not how this works. You have to do your outline, and then kind of just put the product in there, okay? Now, if it's really thin lines, you can just, you know, do your line and it'll work. It'll be bright, it'll be set. But if you want something like an actual wing liner, you're going to have to do your outline like always and then apply the product in there so it's not patchy. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, I didn't have any issues with them. I like them. They dried fine. I like the colors. It is a good combination. I had been looking for a white eyeliner for a long time that didn't make a mess or wasn't like patchy or wasn't like chalky. And honestly, I like this. It is a good white eyeliner. I mean, the other colors are cute and it's like, you know, the orange and the purple, but those are easier to find for some reason than the white eyeliners for me. The orange eyeliner is brighter. And I absolutely love that because seriously? I mean, I'm just like, it's like tangerine. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. I don't know when this will be available again. I don't. I actually, like I mentioned, I got it because I got lucky and somebody messed up. or something. But other than that, I really don't know when they'll be available again. But honestly, I really like them. And then once they're available again, I'll get the other stack because I really like them. And I had been looking for colorful eyeliners anyway. So these eyelashes are also new. They are Color Pop Out eyelashes. They are the Miami eyelashes, which I love. Let's fly away. Also for the packaging, they do not come off. Like it's not stackable like the Melt eyeshadows. They're screwed in. But you can do that. You won't lose them. 3 for 1, 1 for all. They do have a 6-month shelf life. Ladies, always look at your little expiration date back here. Then we're out here using makeup that is itchy and whatever. But anyways, yeah. And once you stop using it, it does dry back up and you can't just dip and use. Like you have to wet it every time. It is not gel. It's not gel eyeliner. The name is Cake Eyeliner, but it is not gel. It is not liquid. It activates with water, okay? Activates with water. You hear that? My child is not happy. She's with her father, but I'm coming. Other than that, like, yeah, I liked it because it's not messy. It's not, I didn't have to do a lot of cleanup. I didn't have to go over it and over it and over it. It really was one line and all, like, done. It is versatile. You can use it for different looks because, you know, it has the neon color, it has the white, and it has the purple. And this is a dark purple. You can see it there. I wanted to create a look that used all 3 of them, so I didn't have to do one at a time because time and laziness. And you heard it, my cow. And she's probably done. She's like, Mom, finished. But yeah, it just shows that you can use them at the same time. And once I get the other stack, whenever that happens, I'll do another look with all 3 of them because I think that when you get something, you should be able to use it all at one time. You shouldn't have to use it with a bunch of other products in one at a time. Then to me, that ends up being a waste. If I can only use one eyeliner, if I can only use one eyeshadow, like it just ends up being a big waste for me, especially because I am on a budget. I am the budget queen when it comes to makeup because diaper and milk. But either way, you know? And even if it's colors that is like, oh, white and oh, orange and the purple, right? Like I can use this to go out. This is subtle, but it calls out. You know what I'm saying? Like it's subtle, but it's like, ooh, what is that? Cuteness. That's what it is. This quarantine got me feeling myself. I'm not gonna lie. This is my new couch makeup. Making dinner makeup. And all of that. Because that's what I do now. I mean, really, that's what I've always done. But anyways. So yeah, that's my review for this. I like them. In my opinion, there go. I like them. I'll get the other stack. I really will. I like it. Like I said, I've been looking for something colorful and cute and easy to apply. And this is it, you know? Don't be scared to get a lot of product. Just make sure that you got the right tools. If you want to make precision lines, get a precision brush. If you want to get thick lines, you can use eyebrow brushes. That's all. And don't be scared to clean up, ladies. Come on, boys and girls out there. If you mess up, clean it up. That's why they invented concealer. Again, I didn't have to do much of that. Not gonna lie. But because it was easy to use, not because I'm great at it. Don't even like this. I shake. Ask about me. I be like this all the time. So anyways, I liked it. And I really like this. You know, the first day I can go out, this is it. I'm like, ka-cha, ka-cha, ka-cha. I would like this eyelashes. Anyways, I am gonna post just a tutorial of how I did my eye. This eye, because this eye is already done. I'm lazy like that. And this is gonna be part of this video and you can watch it next. And like always, follow, share, like, subscribe, comment. I said that twice because you should follow twice. You should follow, subscribe, share, and comment and like. I'm just saying. Just gonna leave that out there. Y'all do what you want. Y'all do what y'all want with that information. But yeah, I'm gonna say it again. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Show some love. I'll show some love back. I do have a makeup Instagram page now that I will put on the description below. Follow that as well. I will try to post more looks over there and then choose a weekly tutorial look. That makes sense? And so yeah, help me, help you, help me, right? I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you guys are able to get this because it is super cute. That's what I think. I mean, seriously, I like it. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the E40 Sigma Tapered Blending Brush. And we're gonna start with the color Orange Soda. And we're just gonna set our area right here. And it's crazy because I really haven't used these colors. This palettes I've had for a while, but I don't know, just didn't have a chance to use them, and today's the day. Now we're gonna use my Petite Crease Soeva 231 brush with the color Burnt Orange. Okay, and then we're just gonna go right on top. Like I have the bone, like my crease bone right here, like go right on top of it. Everybody's eyes are different. Everybody's starting point is different, just as high as you can. That's my point. And then we're gonna take it like halfway to your lid. Now with the Smile 230 Pencil Soeva brush, I'm gonna grab the color Real Gar. The first two colors are from the Soft Glam palette. This third color is from the Modern Renaissance palette, okay? And that is gonna go right there where my bone sits. There you go. That third color is gonna go right where my bone sits, okay? Again, everybody's eyes are different, but make sure it's as high as you can. And I usually go by where my bone structure is, okay? Again, like halfway. We're gonna apply a lot of the color in the first part of the area and then just kind of slightly blend it right there. Now with a small synthetic brush, we're going to fix our crease, okay? Or clean it up a little bit. I usually try to go as high as possible because I do have hooded eyes, so it makes my eyes bigger and pop. Which is crazy because I have hooded eyes, but then I have a lot of space. I don't know, just, you know. Now with the color Real Gar, again, the same color we just used, in a slanted brush. This is kind of like a bushy brush. This is an e.l.f. defining eye brush. We're just gonna start right here, like if we were doing our eyeliner, okay? Straight line and then follow it down. And now going back to our burnt orange color, we're just going to buff it out a little bit. It's okay if it looks kind of messy because it's all gonna make sense in a minute. And just try to leave the outline. Now for the piece of resistance, right? Our cake eyeliners, okay? I wish I would have been more prepared for this video, but I wasn't, and I didn't have the brushes I wanted to use, but I got this, okay? So what you do is, on my little palette here, I just put a little bit of water, and then you can either take a chunk and mix it, or what I do is I wet the brush and then just pick up some of the product. So I don't take more product than I need and just, you know, waste. I don't like to waste product. So then just make sure then you get a good amount, okay? You can do it in whatever order you want. This is the order I'm doing it, okay? So then, because you already have your outline, you just start, as always, on your straight line and then down, okay? And then pack it in there. Now I am cleaning the water every time I use it because I already used the brushes. It stains the water so I don't mess up. So now we're gonna do the same with the orange, okay? For this, I'm using a fine liner 313 Zoeva brush. So I dip it in the water, and then dip it in the eyeliner. We're gonna hold our breaths because we want straight lines, okay? And again, just a little bit over half the eye. I wish I could tell you, oh my God, I get it right the first time, but sometimes I don't, and I mess up like right here. So then I just grab a little bit of concealer and just straighten that line. Also, doing this, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it's easier to apply the white liner because then you have an idea of where it goes. And because the white eyeliner is next, also it won't mix them together, so you don't get another kind of orange, you just get straight white. That's why I'm making sure that I'm putting some concealer on top of the lines that didn't come out as straight, okay? All right, so for the white eyeliner, I'm using a 211 MAC brush, and it is an eyeliner brush, but I'm only using the tip of the brush, if you can see, because it was making like a more precise line, which is what I wanted. And again, wet the brush, mix the white eyeliner, and just get it on the tip. That's it, just on the tip. This is the only time that only the tip is acceptable. Okay, so then, oh girl, your girl's good. Whew. Let me tell you, I stop breathing every time I do eyeliners. Jesus. Now I'm gonna grab some of the color bronze from the Soft Glam palette on my Fender Bender brush and just apply it to the inner corner and some in my eyelid, just to give it a little pop. Now for my waterline, I'm gonna use a slanted brush. This is a Broadline Zoeva brush, and I'm just gonna go in the waterline. And this is eyeshadow. This is not eyeliner or anything. And just get in there. And then with our burnt soda, we're gonna smoke it a little bit. And then the raw gar color. That's it. Now just for a little touch, I'm gonna do a little bit of the eyeliners close to the inner corner. And again, every time you use them, you have to wet either the brush or product, okay? So right here, just this area right there, a small line. There you go. And now the orange, okay? Right under the white. Now my biggest issue is that I have a lot of texture in my eyes, but you know, it can be done. And that's it. That is my look for my eyes with this new cake eyeliners, okay?